Hello again. We put the van back together. Hoodie helped a lot. He's been here for quite a while helping me out when he's not at work. I think he's about done. I'm going to head back to another job up north. So that's all the help I get out of him. Maybe we'll take the rear end apart one more time, have a look. So, what can I show you? I've got the new wheels and tires on. And to be honest, they're not going to last long. That's pretty fun. I'll show you a bit about what that's about. Wheels and tires, I don't know what I think about the hubcaps, but they give it that classic look, kind of Volkswagen-y. They're not bad, but we'll see. They might be winter tires in the end. We've cleaned it all out. So, it's empty. Still rattly. We'll have to work on that. Oh, burpee. Okay. What else can I show you? New headlights. I can turn them on. Give you a look at what the headlights do. Yeah. They don't show up much during the day, but anyways, new headlights, got a lot of the lights working. Still not brake lights working. And yeah, got the low rear end gears in it. So I'm going to take you for another drive. Show you what it does with the low rear end gears. It's noisy in here. So the last drive we had 3:1 ratio rear end gears. For this drive we have 7.4:1 ratio rear end gears. So that's about 2.5 times the torque as last time. Put it in a forward position, and here we go. We'll go to the store again. Go to the gas station and not get gas again. Only this time we might do burnouts. Alright, up the hill we go, just like last time. Alright, and down the hill, when I let off the gas, slows down. So I think I have it set for a couple of 300 Newton meters of torque on the D-cell, and then if you hit the button here, that's 500 Newton meters of force. So I'm going to hook that to the brake lights later. I don't have the brake lights working at all right now, so I'll get that working and hook that there. So yeah, you can see when I hit that one, it slows right down. Don't even need the brakes. You have to use them every now and then though, so they don't get rusty. But other than that, don't really need brakes. Where should we go? Go this way? Alright. Where can I show you what it does? Let's see. I'll find a good spot here. Maybe I'll get into it a bit here. Whoa. That happens quick. Okay, maybe I'll take you down this way, go onto the highway, and then go up the gas station. It's still rattly. I gotta get rid of rattles, but it's getting more worthy of that. We got brakes, we got good tires now, and boy does it go. I'm gonna take the rear end back out again tonight and inspect what we did, maybe give it one last bit of lash adjustment or whatever you adjust with that. I think we're going to take that out tonight. So this is its last drive, and then I need a charger. I don't know how to charge it yet. I'm hoping to figure that out. We're gonna have to buy a charger. I hoped that we would have figured that out by now, but I was hoping. Okay, here we go. Let's see what they told us. Oh, Jesus! He definitely spins the tires. Ooh, that's smelly. That was definitely smelly. I still don't have a parking brake, so maybe we'll point it up here a little bit here. I think it's stuck. So there it is, proof again. Only it gets there a lot quicker this time. It lives. I dream. It lives and breathes. Looks pretty stealth for how quick it is. I'll get a G-Tech out next. We'll see how fast it actually does go. Probably charge it up. Anyone know how to charge this? I hope someone shows me how to charge this soon. I'm going to have to buy a charger. Anyways, thanks for checking out my van. See you next time.